My name is Mousa Albahrani. I'm the GCC General Manager for Credit and Collection Future Buy. We'll be live to you, we'll try to interact, make you happy, and get more information passed to you and from you also. So I would like to welcome the speakers, starting with Mohamed Jawad, the CEO for Oman, and come, introduce yourself. You know what, I will change the plan, come. Introduce yourself better.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohamed Jawad, Chief Financial Officer of Oman Insurance Company, a composite insurance company serving all line of businesses and a board secretary.
Have a seat. Wesam.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Wesam Al Ammari. I'm the Head of Collection International Markets in Rayomand Automotive. We are headquartered in Dubai, but we operate across several regions, including the GCC, East Africa, and Mid-Asia, particularly Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Wesam. Amit, welcome.
Good afternoon all. Assalamu alaikum. We just had a tea break, I think. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Thank you. Myself, Amit Budholiya. I have incepted my career with Standard Chartered Bank, India. After that, Jongbeng Lesai, Facility Management, HSBC 1 year in Oman, and for a decade I worked for Allama Holding. Currently, I am heading the Credit and Collection Division for Al Hashar Automotive. Looking forward to have an interactive session with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. You can sit there. Mr. Raymond.
Okay. I'm Rayomand Palkhiwala. I'm from Balexco, Bahrain Aluminum Extrusion Company, Bahrain. I've been in the region in Bahrain for around 35 years and mainly in the extrusion, aluminum manufacturing companies.
Welcome, Raymond. Have a seat. Welcome, everyone. So we introduce ourselves, but we have one subject to be covered, to know you. So in order to know more about you, I want to know the industries that you are coming from, so maybe we give more rich information about this. So who's coming from banking? Just raise your hand. Okay, good, banking. Who's coming from insurance? Okay, insurance. Raise your hand. I know your insurance, yes. Okay, who's coming from legal offices? Legal, oh, we are in trouble. Okay, who's coming from manufacturing? Manufacturing. Okay, retails. Good, upper sales. Services. Going from services. Telecommunication, IT. Okay, that's why you look to the phone, I know. You prove it. Very good. Good, so we know it. I miss industries, raise your hand, tell me your industry if I miss it. Real estate, okay, real estate, very good. I can't hear you. Construction, very good. You are facing a lot of difficulties, I know. Okay, why ask this question? We are here in this session competing with the one before us. The one before us, they were trying to tell you, don't do your job. We will transfer to collection agencies, overseas collection, insurance. My job here with the team from Oman, from Emirates, from Oman, from Bahrain, me from GCC covering all, and with different industries that we are covering. We have insurance, we have automotive, real estate, you work facilities also, and manufacturing. I worked in IT, telecommunication, also in insurance, until I became now in manufacturing. So we'll try to cover the things that's most important to you with a question, but we need from you to interact with us. So we'll start with questions to to the speakers. Then we will go back to you. We start 12:45. I hope we can finish 12:25. أنا أحب أوقف. Okay. First question to Mr. Mohamed Jawad. How can the insurance sector in Oman and in the GCC optimize credit risk management to support credit opportunities across various industries?
First of all, talking about the insurance industry, insurance is one of the main risk mitigating factors companies are using across different lines. One of the most important line which we are covering today is the credit risk. Insurance companies invest a lot in risk analysis, assessment of risk scoring of different customers. So insurance companies are stated by Credit Oman offering credit insurance to several clients, especially clients in construction sector, energy sector, that can cover them from the delays or non-payment of their installments or credit installment. An important thing to mention here in credit insurance is that it will help you to facilitate your relationship with the bank. Now, if you have a receivable book which is not insured, it will not look attractive to banks compared to an insured receivable. So that will change the game. Now I'm speaking about insurance company from angle of customers. But when I talk about insurance companies, receivable. Now everybody will have receivable towards certain clients, like oil and gas companies will have receivable to service companies. Insurance company in general will have receivable to the entire ecosystem, starting from government to a small retailer shop or any motor vehicle. So talking about collection ways now, and as stated by our moderator, we are looking to compete with debt collectors and with lawyers and how we can collect our receivables. I believe the main focus here is the accuracy of data first. In many instances, we see defaults happening or delays, especially because of non-accuracy. We will share our SOA to the client. Client will say this is not correct. Again, it will come back, it will go into RICO, and that is in this process. So the first thing in collection should be the accuracy of our database. Database is accurate, then we can invest into or leverage the current solutions of AI, predictive models, or anything else that can give us the history and the pattern of each and individual customer.
Thank you. Thank you, Mohammed. I think this will lead me to Mr. Duraid. I like the statement that you stated when you came and you told, and I think I will rephrase it, it is your responsibility or me to decide to whom I open the door to get credit from me. And to make sure that, and this is a saying that I always say, you have to make sure whoever comes to you, prepare your documentation, your file, that you are ready to go to the lawyer the next day. Because we are, in GCC, we are emotionals. We like relationship. But in business, you have to put this aside and focus that this is a business. And that's why we say the first introduction from Quran. Write it down and write it correctly. And how to avoid things that goes to legal lead me to someone who avoid to be in the stage. Mala'a, where is Mala'a? Who is from Mala'a here? Muhammad? I need someone to give the mic to Mala'a. Why I chose to speak to Mala'a? The process of cash flow starts from the day you decide to make business on a credit. And without knowing what the rate said, you have to know. Okay, I have to know, but how I know? I will ask you, you will tell me not how I trust that what you are telling me is the truth. I don't know. The good things now in Oman, and we want to support the business in Oman, we have Mala'a. Yes, they are starting, but they are expanding, and they are making lots of things that will support you to get the information from the members in their system. This is equivalent to SIMA in Saudi Arabia, equivalent to Ittihad in Emirates. So I would like to know from them how to access the information, what kind of information they can provide. Mohammed is here. Mohammed, in 1 minute, I want to know what you will benefit in me if I have the rate trying to buy from me in a credit, and I want to know his credit worthiness. Make it near, please, the mic.
Rayomand Credit and Financial Information Center providing the credit PM services for all our members. What we are providing is the credit comprehensive report. What's the credit comprehensive report? Giving the opportunity for all of our members to check the eligibility before granting any facilities in terms of credit history and repayment history as well. So the member is able to check if there is a delinquency or any default within this customer or prospect. So we are providing the service to all of our members as a precaution before granting facilities. According to the Central Bank of Oman regulations, they are mandated to use the extracted credit report before granting facilities.
Thank you, Mohammed. So, before you start accepting customer to go on credit with you, you want to know them. So this is one source of information, then you have to visit them, you get financial statement audited, last 2 years, 3 years, bank statement, those information will support you. What you will do next? Still the rate not satisfied. Because even if you have those information, you build a very weak contracted term, what will happen? It will go back to you. Yes, I know the customer, but the customer is very smart that he put on the terms, something that avoid me from collecting back to them, even with legal. So, know your customer, KYC, customer application, check should be part of your documentation, and why not to involve the legals if you don't have to build at least once in time standard terms or information that will be in your contract. This leads me to Wesam, because Wesam is involved more in the collection, and when it goes to collection, he comes after all the things. You made the creditworthiness, you did the contract, you delivered the service or product, you made the invoicing, you did the receivable management things, balance confirmation, all the things, then he wants to get the money. Whatever you have done, I would say assume 70% of the job will make his life easy or difficult. Then it will go to us to support us if he failed also. So let's try to make it in this circle. Okay. Wesam, what are the best practices for improving debt collection while maintaining sustainable customer relationship and promoting financial inclusion?